On November 10th, 2025, officers from the Brockton Police Department responded to a reported fight at a Chipotle restaurant. A parking dispute had escalated into a battery, leaving the apparent victim under arrest.
And then
What happened?
I was in the store. They came in arguing. I thought they were going to go their separate directions. They did not. They continued fighting, so I got involved. And I was like, girl, it's not...
Who was the primary aggressor, do you think? Like, who was really
They
agitated?
were both going at it.
Okay.
They were both aggressing each other.
All right.
And then a physical fight started.
She just left from the back. She opened our back door. And then
Okay.
So you probably both...
Because the car went over there by her.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, I'm Officer Sang with Brockton Police Department. Do you mind to tell me what's going on today? So that way we can let this
I don't know
off.
who that white girl is, but she just swung on me, so I'm gonna beat her ass.
Okay, so
I told them.
Okay, so I wasn't here, right? So my name's Officer Sanger. Some people call me Mookie. What's your name? When you're ready, okay? All right, you can be.
I don't want to talk. I see red right now. Okay. I want to fight.
Okay.
I don't care to talk. I want to fight. I did not touch that girl. She put her hands on me. I'm gonna her up. I don't want to talk. I want to fight. Stop talking to me. Leave me alone. I want everybody to get out of my face until they come outside because I'm gonna her up.
So you don't know who she is?
I don't know who that girl is. I never seen that a day in my life, but you swung on the wrong.
So why'd she do this to you?
Listen, because my friend pulled into a parking spot, so she gets out of the car talking shit. So I'm like, what the f*** are you talking about? You just mad over a parking spot? So I'm like, girl, what the f*** are you talking about? We in the place, we in there arguing. She swing on me and she trying to run. So I grab that by her hair and I start tagging her ass. So when she come out, I'm gonna f*** her up.
Okay. So how did you get the mark on your lip? Did she do that? She punched you in the face?
That's what I just said.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't completely understand the wording that you used, okay?
Who are you?
You guys together? Are you okay with her?
Stop asking me questions. Stop talking to me. Okay. Oh my God, bro, you got to put a picture. Oh. 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 What's wrong?
Okay.
Where is she at?
Are you friends?
Yo.
What's her name? No. Hey. Okay.
I need you to know. All right, no.
Wait, you need to take a deep breath.
I can't. Stand up and try to come down. I can't come down. I want to fight now.
All right, but you can't.
Listen.
But you can't.
She's swung on me.
Hey, I need you to
and
look
she
at
tried
me.
to run.
I need you to look at me.
Work.
You have police officers behind you.
I don't
Relax.
care.
But you need to.
I don't
Relax.
care.
Relax. You need to get a peace of mind. Relax.
Were you involved in a fight?
No, I wasn't involved. I just rolled up
Okay,
to go to the dollar store and I saw the fight in the window.
Okay.
There.
What did you see exactly, if you don't mind me asking?
I saw a cluster of 3 or 4 girls all had each other by the hair, beating the shit out of each other.
Okay.
And first I saw a guy who was like backing up like this in the corner, like
Got
he
it.
didn't want nothing to do with it. And then I panned over, see the group of girls, at least 1 or 2 of them worked there.
Okay.
And the guy eventually went over and pulled one of the chicks off, and then everything from there was kind of like below the sight line of the tables, and I couldn't see.
Okay, I appreciate it. Did you see a fight?
I didn't see the fight, but I saw what happened originally.
Okay, what happened originally?
Sorry for my descriptive terms.
You're fine.
The white girl comes
Yeah.
walking up. I was already just sitting here eating. The white girl comes walking up in the back of the parking lot, and the other girl that's now yelling at front. She's already walking in, and the white girl's going.
What did do you know what the white girl was wearing?
Black hoodie and baggy sweatpants, and there was a red
Black hoodie, baggy sweatpants.
like a red accent.
Hey, we're gonna go check Lake Wyman.
And I think she's still in the Chipotle. I haven't seen her walk out.
Okay.
Maybe she's in the bathroom. I don't know.
Okay.
But, she was the one that walked up first yelling, "Girl, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?" And she kind of, from what I could tell through the window, verbally started it.
So, Mariah, you were in here. Something happened with the parking spot. She got upset, came in, and swung at you. Caused this. And then she tried to run away, so you stopped her.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, well, I need to confirm what you said, okay? Because I don't want to have any information wrong. Are you waiting here because you want to fight her?
Yes.
Okay. So if that's the case, then I'm going to have to prevent you from doing that. Okay? Because we're not going to have a fight. We're not going to have a physical altercation where you're waiting to fight here. Okay? Now, if she needs to go to jail today for what she did, then I need you to work with me to tell me what's going on. Okay? If she's the one who caused the problem today, we want to do something about that. Okay?
Okay, so go find her then.
Well, I can't find her. I don't know what she looks like. I don't know.
We're trying to help you to prevent you from getting in trouble. We're trying to see you did this to you to make sure you're not at fault. If you don't want to work with us, that's an issue for you. We're trying to help you. Do you want to work with us or not? Because if your solution to this is fighting her, that's not going to end well for anyone here. So do you want to work with us or not? We're here to help you. We're just going to be stubborn.
I already told y'all what I want.
No, you didn't.
So,
you
said I want to beat her ass.
Oh, well, that's
We can't
that's
do
not
that. Can't do that. We can't watch that. Then automatically you have to go to jail. Is that what you want to do? You want to go to jail?
You're seeing that right now. I get it. You're hot in the head. I get it. But you need to take a breath and let us help you. And if you don't want that help, just say the words.
Tell us you don't want us to help you. Okay?
I don't want help.
You don't want help.
I don't want help.
Well,
Okay.
Listen, if you don't want our help and you choose to linger around here and you see this person and you fight her, you're coming with us later. So before we leave here, I highly recommend you rethink about what you want us to do and let us help you.
I don't want help.
Okay.
I don't need help.
Hi. So apparently there was a physical fight.
There was, correct.
Can I see it on the camera?
Let me ask. I don't have access to it, so let me ask my manager.
Okay, they were just telling me, they were pointing me in this direction, that saying you were the one that would have
Let
it.
me just ask.
Bro, nobody thought you were
What does this white girl look like?
White girl.
How old is she?
I'm not around my age. Like
Yeah,
I
she
said,
went
18 to 20.
Okay, so 18 to 20. What was she wearing?
She was wearing a gray sweatshirt or gray sweater.
Gray sweater.
Yeah.
What else?
Sweatpants.
Uh-huh.
And then she was about yay high, like just a bit taller than me.
Okay.
And then she had blonde, like yellowish hair.
Okay.
And then that's what I could describe. And then she had that was really, her keys. She had this like towel character on her key.
Her what?
A towel character on her keychain.
A towel?
Yeah, like a towel on her keychain.
Okay, I'm trying to see if I can get video footage. They don't have access to it at the moment.
Oh, really?
But that girl, supposedly they were in here when they fought. So I want to see the footage.
I thought it was outside.
No, they went outside after the fight. Apparently, something about parking. She came in here and then swung at her, and then she went to run away, so she grabbed her and threw her down.
Who threw her down? This girl threw her down?
Yes.
After the other girl swung at her?
After the other girl, you see her lip and her thing after she swung at her. He does? Okay. Can I see?
I mean, you don't really... oh, yeah, there you go. And then the girl's on the right.
Do you mind if I relook at it?
Yeah, y'all go.
Okay.
Damn, still a haymaker.
Yeah. So...
Them punches, I heard them.
Bro, I seen you, Mark, and Nashville. I was like, I don't think I need to go.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody.
Is there anything we could trespass with them?
Sure.
Yes.
I'll let them know. Can I have your ID?
do one because the other one.
The other one's gone. I can't trespass. Somebody's not here.
Got it.
Can I have
like my
your ID? Yeah.
like my license ID?
Yes, please. That's how I trespass somebody. Is I need you're considered the manager.
Still waiting on this.
I got no idea.
Do you feel comfortable to tell her yourself, or do you want me to tell her as a representative for you? Like, do you feel comfortable, or are you scared?
I mean, I could. It doesn't matter.
Do you feel comfortable to say, "Hey, you're no longer welcome here"?
But
I'll be with you.
can
Well, I'll
just
be
tell
here.
her,
You
it's
tell her. Okay. Hey, Mariah, you've now been trespassed from the store. The manager no longer wants you to be here, so you have to leave the store and the premises. Okay.
How am I gonna leave if I didn't drive?
Sorry.
How am I gonna leave?
You can go to the next property, or you can go to the sidewalk over there, but you can't stay here. Okay? Would you like to sign a refusal form to say you don't want to prosecute against her with my sergeant? Would you like to? Okay. Well, you don't have to talk to me, but you got to leave. If you come back here within a year to this property, you will be arrested. Okay? You go right now?
Yes.
If she don't leave,
Yeah, I'm about
she's
to.
gonna get arrested by somebody here tonight.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I put
So
her
she's
in
got
the
to
car?
leave.
Can I put her
Is that her car?
This is Casey's car, but they came together.
Okay.
So
Can she drive? No.
She probably could, but she's frantic, so I don't know.
Yeah. Probably not a good idea.
So I was just gonna take them and go back to campus, and then bring somebody to come get
Wonderful.
the car.
Okay.
So can I put her in that car for right now? While
If she has to leave, right?
Okay.
So that's the biggest thing. She's got to leave. Okay. That's her car, but she's having a panic attack, so she can't drive right now. She's got her, and then she's also willing to take.
Okay. So do you think it'd be
Maya.
better if I take them right now and then come back and get your phone?
Yes, that would be the best idea. Thank you, Jade. Been very helpful. All right, guys. No, we're not doing this. We're not. Hey.
Relax.
Bro, I'm trying to walk. Bro, call my auntie, bro.
Is that her wallet?
This is mine.
Bro, no, I'm not talking.
Okay, y'all don't got a manhandle me. Y'all don't got a manhandle me. I'm relaxing. Call my auntie. 561. Not Jade. Can you please get your phone and call my auntie? Pussy ass. Oh, they just want to take me to jail.
Yes, you're going to jail. Okay, you are under
Bro,
arrest. Okay, we
I was
tried.
gonna walk to
tried.
school. What the are you talking about? All y'all for me. I'm 125 pounds.
This is not what we wanted to do tonight.
Clearly it is, because we doing it.
I beg you to leave.
Bro, I was gonna walk to school.
Sorry.
You're okay.
What are you talking about? I don't want to be in no car right now. I want to be by myself and cool the
All right, have a seat.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Mariah arrived at this encounter as a crime victim. Under Florida Statute Section 784.03, battery requires an intentional, unconsented strike causing bodily harm. Her visible lip injury supported that charge against the other woman. Her victim status at the outset of this encounter was legally sound. Her admitted retaliation inside the restaurant may have fallen under Florida Statute Section 776.012, which permits force when a person reasonably believes it is necessary against imminent unlawful force. The operative word is imminent. By the time officers arrived, the threat had departed. Mariah's stated intent was not to escape further harm. It was to re-engage the other woman. Self-defense does not protect planned retaliation against a non-present threat. Under Florida Statute Section 810.09, trespass after warning requires two elements. First, a departure warning from the owner or an authorized agent. Second, the subject's continued presence without authorization. The property manager delegated that authority through the officer. Both elements were satisfied the moment Mariah remained. Florida Statute Section 843.02 criminalizes any act that obstructs an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty without physical violence against the officer. The Florida 4th District Court of Appeal confirmed in State v. Espy at 849 Southern 2nd, 1189, that the threshold is low. Any act that in some measure impedes a lawful duty satisfies the statute. Mariah's physical noncompliance during the escort cleared that threshold. The constitutionality of the arrest is not in dispute. In Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 United States 318, the Supreme Court confirmed that custodial arrest for a misdemeanor does not violate the Fourth Amendment. Officer Samantha receives a B+. 9 minutes of patient, consequence-oriented de-escalation, correct trespass procedure, and proportionate use of force, consistent with Graham v. Connor, 490 United States 386. The grade falls short of A range only because the battery suspect remained unidentified at end of shift. Officer Sanger receives a B, appropriate positioning, and a sound rapport-building approach. 1 deduction. Describing the subject as stubborn during active de-escalation introduces an adversarial frame that crisis intervention protocol explicitly cautions against. Mariah receives a D. The underlying grievance was legitimate. She was struck without provocation, but explicit threats of battery made in the presence of officers carry immediate and lasting evidentiary weight. Physical resistance during the escort satisfied Florida Statute Section 843.02. Under Espy, her stated intent to pursue, not escape, the other woman voided any self-defense claim. under Section 776.012. Every consequence she faced resulted from choices made freely and with full awareness of the outcome. 3 lessons from this footage. First, victim status is not permanent. It must be preserved through cooperation with the legal process. Second, statements of criminal intent made in front of officers carry immediate evidentiary consequences that are difficult to overcome. Third, self-help is not a legal remedy. The woman who fled remained subject to prosecution. Mariah's path to accountability ran through the officers she refused to engage. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.